Okay folks, this is Mike Hansen here. I made it to Lockhart, Texas, and as you see, no, it's not a myth. It's not somebody pulling your leg. It actually is snowing, and pretty hard at that. I had to go about 5 miles an hour on the highway a while ago. But it makes a pretty sight here in Lockhart, Texas when it's snowing. We don't know how long it's going to last. Usually don't last over a couple hours. Y'all kids out there got a white Christmas before Christmas. Isn't that nice? There's the courthouse. About 30 miles from Austin, Texas. Snowing like crazy. It was almost blizzard-like conditions out on the highway a while ago. Look for that video on my Facebook too. Lockhart, Texas.